Hey friends, we have a colorful book. It is called My Leaf Book by Monica Wellington. So many trees, so many leaves. When the trees change colors, autumn is here, and I go to the park to see how many different leaves I can find. She's going to the arboretum. Leaves are falling from the trees. I want to collect as many as I can. I catch my first one. I am going to start a leaf book. Here is my leaf book. Here is my tree guide. And here is the leaf. It is shaped like a fan. I use my tree guide to look for a match. I find it. Ginkgo leaf. Leaf shape is a good place to start in identifying trees. Ginkgo leaves look like fans. The ginkgo is the oldest tree on Earth. It has existed for millions of years. Some leaves are still on the trees. Some are on the ground. I gather more leaves for my book. What is this one? This leaf has 5 points. It is shaped like a star. It is from the sweet gum tree. The honey locust tree has millions of little leaves. Most trees have simple leaves, a single leaf on each stalk, like the sweet gum trees. Some have compound leaves, many leaflets on a stalk, like the honey locust trees. The wind blows this leaf right into my hand. It is an oak leaf, a small reminder for my book of that big, beautiful tree. Oak leaves are strong. They are good for many art projects. I make leaf rubbings in many colors. I make oak leaf prints for my book too. Some leaves have lobes. This leaf above has 7, and the lobes are rounded. Other types of oaks have leaves with pointed lobes. Sweet gum leaves have pointed lobes too. Trees have different shapes and different bark too. So many trees, so many leaves, so many colors too. Here are leaves of red, violet, and orange. What kind are they? So many clues to help me. Now I have birch, willow, and cherry leaves to put in my book. I am careful with them because they are getting dry and brittle. Leaves have veins. Their pattern can look like a feather, as in these leaves and in oak leaves too. Sometimes veins radiate from the base of the leaf, as in sweet gum leaves. Shapes, shapes, so many different shapes. These are like hearts. This tree has leaves that are not all the same shape. Some are like mittens. I add linden and sassafras leaves to my book. The edges of leaves are either smooth or toothed. The edges of linden leaves have teeth. The edges of sassafras leaves are smooth. The days are getting shorter and the air is getting colder. Autumn trees are glowing bright. This one is the most colorful of all. It is a maple tree. The maple leaves are splendid. Every shade of red and orange I can imagine. My leaf book is full. I have found so many leaves. Which is my favorite? A tree can have both little leaves and big leaves. The shape of the leaves, the presence of lobes and teeth, and the pattern of the veins are better ways to help identify trees. I love them all. The end.